Ever dreamed of owning an online store without the hassle of inventory? Let's turn that dream into reality by mastering Temu dropshipping with Shopify. First, head over to Shopify and create your store. Choose a catchy name and select the business type that best fits your plans. Remember, a good name is key to branding. Next, browse Temu for products you want to sell. Copy the product descriptions, high-quality images, and any other relevant details. Think about what your target audience will love. Now, back to Shopify. Manually import your chosen Temu products. Carefully paste the descriptions, upload the images, and set your prices. Aim for a healthy profit margin, but stay competitive. Configure your shipping settings in Shopify. Set up automated order fulfillment to streamline the process. When a customer orders, you'll just forward it to Temu for them to ship directly. Finally, market your store. Use Shopify's built-in tools for promotions and integrate social media to drive traffic. Experiment with different strategies to see what works best for your products.